Yo, what up my people, welcome back to this channel. As we all know, this is B-Footy, this is the guy behind the brand. Okay, welcome back again, once again. If you are just doing for the first time, this is a channel whereby we showcase shoe for you, and you yourself, you can try something out on your own. And I'm very sure if you'll be following my videos, I'm very sure you should be able to do something on your own. And I'm so sorry I've not been able to drop a slide design. Time has not been on my side for that. So, and it's been long. I dropped something on there, so I had to come up with this short and quick video for you guys, so that you guys can catch up with this, and we can move on from there. Okay, so if you're just viewing for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share as well. So let's get down to today's business. Today we are showing you, we are not showing you, but we are just teaching you some preservative method, the way you need to preserve and to store your shoes, so that it won't spoil after some few days of you getting your shoes from the shoemaker side. In the next few 2 months, in the next 2 months, few months, and it's not good for you to use again. So this is a short preservative method on how to preserve your shoe, how to store your shoe. The first thing you need to do is get yourself a shoe last, a fancy shoe last. When I say fancy shoe last, I know last is the one we use in molding our shoe. Normal, as you can see in my recent video, I've been showing details. I've been detailed about the shoe business and the shoe production. I've been showing you how everything works. So back to fancy shoe last. Fancy shoe last is just the reverse of a shoe last. We use fancy shoe last just to to snap pictures. We put it inside so that it won't, even if you put something, even if you put a load on your shoe, it won't press, it won't wrinkle together. So if you are preserving your shoe, you need to get a fancy shoe last, and we have it in various sizes as well as shoe last. So get your your shoe size already, so get a fancy shoe last for it as well, of your size, of the size you are using. So after that, you get yourself a shoe rack. I'm very sure we all have a shoe rack. We all know what a shoe rack, and you know what it looks like. So get yourself a shoe like a shoe rack, a fancy shoe last as well, so that you can insert it. The fancy shoe last has a spring in it, so that you can whereby you can press in and I'm very sorry I didn't come with one in this video, but I'll be showing you what it looks like in my coming video. So we move on to the second one, the third one, which is the normal thing, which is a rag or a duster. Get yourself a rag or a duster. You'll be dusting it from time to time. And also the fourth one is you need to keep in a cool, dry environment. Shoe doesn't like a heaty environment. It doesn't like heat. It doesn't like a moisture environment. So you need to put it in a dry and cool environment, cool area, where breeze will be blowing on it, and where breeze will be coming onto it. So it's just so simple and easy. Just few easy step on how to preserve your shoes. And the last one is just the normal thing. When you're about to pick your shoe for use, you clean. After dusting it, you apply the normal thing you are using for it. If the shoe you are using at that moment you want to use at that moment is a suede shoe, you know what to use, whereby you apply your suede spray on it. If it's a leather shoe, you know what, you can use a polish and a leather polish, and and so on and so forth. So that's it about that, and that's that on today's video. So thank you very much for sticking by. Don't and in our next video, I'm promising you I'm going to come with a banger on how to make a Chelsea boot. I'm very sure you all have been waiting and you've been looking on to it. So I'll be dropping a video of how to make a Chelsea boot real soon. Don't forget, invite your friends, like and share the videos, turn on the post notification. If you are just doing for the first time, don't forget subscribe. So that's that about that. I still remain your anchor, your shoemaker, B Footies. Thank you very much. See you guys next time.